Riviera?
Sure.
Okay. This is one of three 64 Buick Rivieras. The one Buick Riviera is a parts car for the other two only. This one here's got some rust in the floorboards. It's still got the motor in it. Of course, it's a nail head, so therefore it needs to be loosened up. Motor and transmission, the interior for this one comes out of the parts car, and basically that's what you see. It could be put back or whatever a guy wants to do with it. The other one is basically missing a few things, and the other extra parts come off the parts car, so that goes, you could buy one or the other, both of them complete.
We have a rare opportunity here. The entire Stere classic car collection is going up for sale. Dale and Edie are thinking about relocating, and if they do, they'd prefer not to take it with them. Now, this is western Montana, so our cars simply do not rot away. The condition they roll in is the condition they roll out. That's the beauty of living up here. I do not speak for Dale, nor do I dicker on his behalf. You'll have to contact him directly, though you'll find that information in the video description. If you've ever coveted any of the cars you've seen here on Nelson Studios, now is the time to act.